in the last year, I've had a lot of opportunities to kind of push myself out of my comfort zone. When I say if you're living in your comfort zone, you're failing. If you are living in your comfort zone, you are failing. Because you're just living life and just wandering through life. You have to push yourself and get out of your comfort zone. Just in the last year, a couple things we were able to do is I went through the Goldman Sachs program at Babson Business School, which is called 10,000 Small Businesses. It's almost like an MBA for small business owners, but it's truncated down to about a 4-month process. And it's intense. You're learning from some of the best entrepreneurs, some of the best business minds in literally the country, maybe in the world. The leader of the program was one of the former board members of Continental Airlines. So it's just amazing people. And you got to work your butt off. In addition to just, doing your caseload and taking care of your family, you're studying for basically an MBA type program in a very short period of time. That's getting out of your comfort zone. That's getting out of the legal world and learning things about the business world. In addition, I was able to speak on Broadway just a couple months ago. That's definitely getting out of your comfort zone. While I speak in front of juries all the time, it's a different thing altogether to be able to go to New York and get on a stage in front of an entire audience and speak to them about topics that I may not talk about every day, or maybe motivational topics. That's getting out of your comfort zone. Expanding my law practice, where 10 years ago it was just me. Now we have two associate attorneys, a full-time investigator. We're expanding. We got a new law firm. That's getting out of your comfort zone, because things like that don't always work. You have to make them work. And so I encourage everyone, no matter what you're doing in life right now, if you're in the comfort zone, if things are just easy for you, if you just seem kind of like mundane, you're not really growing, you've got to find a way to get out of your comfort zone to expand. And once you do that, you're going to grow. You're going to learn new things. I learned a tremendous amount of things about business, about running my company better, about streamlining my operations. Had new contacts. And that type of confidence, that's holistic. That type of confidence you can use in whatever the main thing you do in life is, or in other areas. So you have to get out of your comfort zone. And if you fail again. If you fail, get up and keep failing over and over and over and over again, and fail more until you get it right. Because if you're afraid to fail, if you're afraid of the fall, you're never going to grow. You're going to be stagnant, and you're going to look back in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years and say, what the hell happened to my life? So don't worry about failing. If you fail, that's okay. Figure out why you failed, what happened, what can you do better, and grow from that. Push yourself, push your limits, get out of your comfort zone, and you will have a much better level of success in your life, personally, professionally, and holistically.